Today we're going to make a mouth-watering lemon pasta, also known as pasta al limone. This classic Italian dish is a simple dish from the Campania region in Italy, most often enjoyed on the Amalfi coast in towns like Amalfi and Sorrento, where they're famous for growing and making all things lemon. This zesty, creamy pasta dish uses only a few ingredients and no cream. It's perfect for a quick weeknight dinner or a fancy date night, so let's get started. Pasta al limone is a simple South Italian pasta dish. Let me tell you, this might be my favorite pasta dish ever. It's been better than cacio e pepe. I use fresh fettuccine, but you can use any pasta you want. With dry pasta, you'll add a little more of the starchy water to finish it like a risotto. And there you have it. Every bite wows more than the last, and it is simply mind-blowing how this pasta al limone is made with so few ingredients. It is a simple and delicious recipe that you will love. So put on some Italian music in the background while cooking, open a bottle of wine, and surprise someone with this flavor bomb of a pasta dish.